It is time to feel better with Dr. T. And remember those inversion chairs and the boots? Well, the idea of inversion is not a fad and can have significant benefits. Dr. T, I don't know. I guess I'm a believer. I've never actually tried it, but this thing, you strap yourself to it and you just kind of hang. What does that do for you?
Okay, so inversion, what's the benefits? The idea is when you go inverted, your spine kind of opens up, it hydrates the discs, relaxes the muscles, and provides a lot of relief with people with back pain.
What if I just find a tree and hang from it? Will that give me the same
Depends
effect?
how strong your grip is, right? So I mean, I'm thinking most people with back pain can't necessarily do that.
Right, right.
So teeter hang-ups has been an industry leader for almost 30 years. It's ridiculous. I got this thing in the mail. The quality of this thing is ridiculous.
It's strong, it's sturdy.
Incredibly sturdy. And talking with the company, they're the only UL certified inversion. It's basically, you don't really want to be inverted on any other company.
Okay.
You're not going to fall.
All right, good.
Let me hit a couple features. What's nice with this is, if you find your height, you can actually scroll on here, and this moves. So once you figure out your setting, all you do is you put one arm, and it moves super easily.
So you've done
this. So
this.
it's very simple. Another thing is, if you're inverted, it can be a lot of pressure at first. So the idea is you don't want to go fully inverted, or if you're nervous to. There's a tether where when you're on there, you can feel really safe knowing you're going to stop at a certain point.
Right. I think people are afraid they're going to get like that, and then they're going to be stuck.
Right. I hear it all the time. People are like, well, I don't want to go. I might not get back up.
Right.
And like, there's a lot of features built in where you know you're going to be okay.
Okay. Good.
And
how often should you use something like this if you have back pain?
If you have back pain, morning and night, 5-10 minutes at a time.
Yeah.
I mean, the result. There's tons of studies done where people actually do these. The pain drops diminishingly.
There you go.